Hi there, I thought I'd do a quick video today of a small box of Stampin' Up items that have just been delivered. So it comes with this plastic friendly padding. You just put the nail in and pop it. That easily goes in a bit. So here's the new catalogue. At last I have one to look through, so that's good. And I haven't bought a lot, but I've bought a few things. I want to use these in class. They are, can I get them out? Domes, snow domes. I'm very excited. I like these. These are, how many do you get in the box? Snow globe shaker dome. I think you get 10. Yeah, you get 10. So I bought 2 packs because I'll need 2 packs for my classes, and I can't wait to play with those. That is going to be good. I bought this flower punch because I thought I could do other things with it, and I haven't got that one yet, but have now. I did buy some more blends because I love them, and I didn't have these colours, so just more blends there. This order, it was with my Flexi points, so as a demo, when you sell things or a couple of times a year, depending on what level you're at, you get different amounts of Flexi points, and then you can spend them on catalogues or other things. So this is what I spent. I changed mine for some money, and then you can order things. So I got some real red card because I'll be needing that. I've nearly run out. And I got this. This is brand new. It's a shimmer crystal effect, so I can't wait to play with that. It's going to be good. I've got a pack of catalogues for some customers, and I've got some red glitter cards. Look how amazing that is. I've got 2 of those, and that's it. That's all in my box this time. So I'm going to put everything back in, and I'm going to have a look at the crystal effects. And then it hasn't stopped raining all day, and it's now about 2-3 o'clock, and I've been waiting for this parcel to come. It should have been here before 1:15, but okay, it doesn't matter, does it? So now it's here. So I'm going to take a look at this wonderful catalogue and just spend some time. So take care. If you've got any questions, let me know. Bye.